Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the Osiris Office add-in generator and the Osiris Office framework and how you can use them to build your Osiris applications into Microsoft Office without having to write a single line of code. So to start, you need to visit the developer portal on the Osiris site, logged in with a developer account. So here I have an example developer account with some applications registered for the Osiris platform. You'll see down here we have an application called Lightning Telemetry Service. So this is a test application that I've just created, and I want to build a Office application with it. So this is a tutorial series that we're doing on Office add-ins. If you want to see how we actually built the Lightning Telemetry Service add-in, there's another video that you can look at for that. This video is going to focus on the add-in generator portion of this new platform. So click the edit button on the application you want to build an add-in for. The next thing you need to do is go to the Canvas Manager. So this shows you all of the canvases that Osiris currently supports. And a canvas can be seen as a mode of interaction between Osiris and the user. So there are currently 8 canvases altogether, and I'll just give you a quick introduction to each one. So the Osiris web canvas is basically the website that you see in front of you, and it's how you interact with Osiris on the web canvas. So this allows you to customize settings specifically for your application on the Osiris web. The Facebook Messenger application allows you to deploy your Osiris application as a Facebook Messenger bot. More on that in another video. And the one that we're interested in today is the Microsoft Office canvas, which will allow you to convert your Osiris application into a Office add-in for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. The Unreal Engine canvas, which is coming soon, will allow games built in Unreal Engine to use Osiris for a in-game AI, but also to modify the in-game world, and more details on that soon. The Twitter canvas allows, as you would imagine, your Osiris application to work across Twitter. The same goes for Skype, email, and then SMS is an interesting one, where if you were building a self-help Osiris application, you can have Osiris communicate with users through text messaging. So we're going to focus on the Microsoft Office one here. So click Manage Canvas. You see here now the only option at the moment is the Office add-in generator. If I click this button, it's going to generate a Visual Studio solution with a pre-built add-in ready to go to interact with my add-in and my application on Osiris. So click the Generate Office Add-in Solution button. And you'll see here a zip file has just been downloaded. This is the solution with your add-in. So you could stop here and you could use this solution to open it up, build the project, and then test it in Excel. Or you could just take the manifest file, which is this osiris-office.xml, and deploy it to your enterprise or try and get it published in the Office store. So we're going to extract these files and we're going to open the solution in Visual Studio. So just give that a second to load. So just press yes here that you trust. So this is going to open the solution, and it's going to open the Osiris Office project, which has been customly tailored and generated for your add-in. So all we need to do now, we don't need to write any code, is simply just click on the manifest here. Let's give it a second to load, and hit start. And now we should open up Excel, and our add-in should be side-loaded. So you see here, I'm being welcomed to my Osiris Office add-in, giving some information about how Osiris can interact with your documents. So just hit Let's Get Started. Now I'm presented with the Orion Identity Management Platform login prompt. So because my application supports Orion roaming users, which is discussed in another video, you have two options here. You can log in and register with an Orion account, or you can continue without logging in, which is basically an anonymous account. So I'm going to log in and register here. So let's log in and register with a test account. So now you see that I'm being asked to confirm my subscription to the Lightning Telemetry service. So once I've done this, I will then be subscribed to that application within Osiris across all of the canvases, not just the Office add-in canvas. And anyone that's familiar with Osiris's platform will know how that works. So just hit confirm subscription. And now I'm being asked to give permission to use that application from Orion, so grant permission. And now we are here in the canvas for Office. Now I'd like to point out at this point that the user interface you've seen so far is not the user interface that's going to be introduced when this feature is rolled out to production. This is only a debug test interface, and a more nicer looking interface will be rolled out before the production deployment, and for developers to basically beta test with this interface. So what this application can actually do is it can give me telemetry events of my services in real time and load that data as a table in Excel. So to do that, I'm going to ask Osiris to subscribe to RE Platform Events.
Sure thing. I can see you're currently working in an Excel spreadsheet. Would you like me to save the events to a table on this sheet in real time?
So what just happened is Osiris can see that you're using the Office canvas, but because of the way the Osiris canvas system works, it sends metadata to the Osiris service to determine is there any specific canvas within the group of canvases that can exist, and it then sees you're using Excel 2016. So it sees I can actually do something with that command in Excel 2016, and it can detect that it can actually create a table in the spreadsheet and then pump the events in real time. So I'm just going to say yes here.
One moment, please. You're now subscribed to our platform telemetry updates.
So you'll notice here that a table has been created with a service name, a URL, the Orion mode, and the user email. Now if I go back to the browser here, as I click around this site, this document and spreadsheet will be updated live. For example, application store. That click, that email, that federation mode has now been flown into the document. All this in real time. So you can see...
I'm sorry, I don't understand that question.
So you can clearly see here how you can build applications using the Osiris Office framework, the same way as you build any other Osiris application that works across Canvas. Then, using the Osiris add-in generator, generate an add-in for Office. So thanks very much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos on canvases, check out the Canvas playlist on my channel, or for more information on Osiris in general, have a look at the Osiris tutorial channel. Thank you very much.